Are you wondering how to make some extra money right now? Yes, it is possible. And no, it does not require a large investment from your part. It is absolutely doable, and let me tell you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. In this video, I want to go over some very simple ways you can make extra money right away. I know it's hard financial times, and for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're not a subscriber, or maybe this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. It is free after all, and I will bring you all the stimulus updates along with other personal finance tips in the future. Let's get straight to it. Here's how you can make some money fairly quickly. I know we're in one of those once in a lifetime situation from a negative and a positive point of view. And it may be the perfect time to get creative when it comes to making money. If you're one of those people stuck without work and facing financial struggles, you need to think outside of the box and start by evaluating your own skills. According to ZipRecruiter, the work from home national average salary per year is $54,000. Yes. $54,000. So figure out what you're good at and you can make over $50K a year from the comfort of your home. A lot of companies will continue to hire more and more positions at home, and the hiring process for work from home is a lot quicker and easier. You can work for a few hours, or you can work full-time 30 to 40 hours a week. And by the way, if you like and share my videos, more people will be able to see them. Hopefully that helps them get some updates and boost their income. So go ahead and share the video real quick. And the next thing you can easily do to generate more income is consider temporary delivery work. If you have a reliable vehicle, you're in a very good spot right now. Companies like Amazon, DoorDash, Grubhub, and many others are hiring everywhere nationwide. I mean, after all, people were stuck at home for months. They will not let go of the home delivery convenience. So now is the time to jump out there and take advantage of the skyrocketing demand in those industries. And don't forget that grocery stores and local convenience stores may also be able to use your help for deliveries as more customers order in or do a curbside pickup. Something you cannot skip on when it comes down to income opportunity is online tutoring and any type of coaching classes online. I'm sure you're expert in something, right? Let me know down in the comments what your strengths are, and I will tell you how you can utilize that right away. With many schools still closed and probably not reopening until next school year, kids need help. Distance learning or even homeschooling can help give parents a much needed break. You can offer this type of service with almost $0 investment costs. Now, if you have something you specialize in or talents that you're good at, you may also consider offering lessons for a lot higher price per hour compared to homeschooling lessons, for example. As I've told you, I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. And if you realize it or not, YouTube, for example, is my way of providing this online tutoring that I'm referring to. Possibilities are endless, and you just need to take advantage, action, and boost your income. And lastly, I would like to add one last easy option for you to make some quick money. I know times are hard for everyone, and I just wanted to try and help a little if I can. There is an easy way you can make up to $200. Down in the description, there is an affiliate link to Chase Bank. If you open an account and follow the requirements, you can make up to $200. Now, you might not need another bank account, you might not even like Chase Bank, and that is totally fine. However, if you do that, keep in mind it is an affiliate link, so I will make a small commission as well. It is worth it because every little bit helps during those hard times. So check it out, it's down in the description. There are endless ways people can generate income right now. And if you need more ideas, just let me know down in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. Just make sure to keep your own health and safety as a top of your priority list. If you would rather not commit to work for another company out there, see if any of your neighbors, for example, will be willing to use your help for anything they may need. Don't try to take advantage of them, of course, but you can offer yard work, grocery deliveries, and other services that they might need help with around the house. I will continue to bring you actionable content and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock and sharing my content with you as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share as well so other people can see it. Down in the description, you will find the links that I mentioned along with some other helpful links as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.